Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Amanda, aka Fit Food AE, and today we're gonna be making a protein pizza for one. I know we've all been there where we order an entire large pizza from Domino's and just sit on the couch and eat the whole thing ourselves, but this one has under 600 calories and it's high in protein, so you can eat the whole thing and not feel like crap after. Today's pizza is gonna be a white sauce based pizza, but I also made a pepperoni one, which I'll link up there. So if you're excited to see me make this recipe, please give this video a like, subscribe, and share with your friends as it really helps the channel. And without further ado, let's get started with the recipe. So first thing you're gonna do is preheat the oven to 450 Fahrenheit. Then you're gonna grab a bowl and add some all-purpose flour. Then add some coconut flour. This is the one that I use, it's just Robin Hood. You can get coconut flour from any grocery store. Then of course, you're gonna add some baking powder. Next, add your garlic powder and add in some salt. Now you're gonna mix all of those dry ingredients together. And next you're gonna add in some non-fat Greek yogurt and some egg whites. Mix all of that together thoroughly. Then you're gonna grab a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper. Now I keep forgetting to buy like a circular baking sheet with holes underneath. This recipe would honestly turn out a lot better with that, but I only had this rectangular one on hand, so I decided to make a rectangular pizza. So you're gonna basically use the back of a wet spoon to spread it out into a pizza shape, whichever shape you decide that is. Then once you spread it out to the desired thickness, you're gonna make the crust. So you're gonna basically do what I'm doing with the spoon and just kind of push some of the dough to the sides in order to make a crust. You can make it as thick or as thin as you want. And then you're gonna use the back of a wet spoon again to just spread out the inside part just to make it more even and try to make sure that there's no holes in the batter. And now we're gonna pop that in the oven for around 8 minutes. Then you're gonna take it out, remove the parchment paper, and put it back in the oven for another 8 minutes. Then you're gonna take that out and you're gonna add the toppings. So first you're gonna add some Alfredo sauce. This is the brand that I use. It's the Classico Alfredo sauce. So they have a number of different Alfredo sauces, I think like 3 different ones. So just pick whatever they have at the grocery store. This one's the Alfredo and roasted garlic, but it's 45 calories for 60 milliliters. Like the macros on this are so good. So I'm gonna start off by adding half the mushrooms, then add half the cheese, half the mushrooms, half the cheese, like sort of layer it. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just putting half the mushrooms down. Then I'm gonna sprinkle some light mozzarella, put the other half of mushrooms, and then the rest of the light mozzarella, so it's like nice and layered. So now we're gonna pop that back into the oven, put it in for 8 minutes, and then check. I ended up putting mine in for 10. And now we're done, pizza's ready. This looks so delicious. I'm just gonna cut it into 4 slices. Of course, you can do what you want. So I was using scissors to cut it. I just realized that I actually do have a pizza cutter, so I'm definitely gonna use that next time because it's just so fun to use. Taste test. I love white sauce pizza. This is so good and like creamy, and I love mushrooms on pizza. They're just the best. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did like this recipe, then I'm sure you're gonna like my other ones. So be sure to check out the videos that are gonna pop up on the screen. And let me know down below if you want to see more savory recipes and what you want to see more of. And be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends as it really helps the channel. And with that, I will see you guys next time. Bye.